Welcome to Z R Wholesale and Distributors, your ultimate destination for an incredible selection and unbeatable prices, all delivered straight to your door. Whether you're looking for chic furniture, trendy clothing, stunning jewelry, or must-have camping gear, we have it all. From dressing to impress to gearing up for your next adventure, Z R is your one-stop shop. Explore our carefully curated collections of women's fashion, men's apparel, and distinctive accessories that elevate your style. Love the great outdoors? Our extensive inventory of camping supplies, durable tents, and high-quality toolkits has everything you need for your next trip. And don't forget to take advantage of our limited-time offers. Shop smart and save big. Shop wholesale, shop online, and choose Z R Wholesale and Distributors. With quick delivery and a fantastic array of products, why look anywhere else? Z R Wholesale and Distributors, your go-to destination for furniture, fashion, jewelry, sports, camping, coffee, fragrance, tools, and so much more. Visit us at zrwholesale.com.